Imagine stepping into an SUV that doesn't just carry you from point A to point B, but quietly reminds you at every turn that luxury, intelligence, and power can coexist effortlessly. That's exactly what the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is all about. And from the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell this isn't just another mid-size luxury SUV. It's a statement on wheels. The exterior design strikes a perfect balance between elegance and muscle, with a bold front grille, sharper LED headlamps, and smoother aerodynamic lines that give the GLE a confident road presence without looking aggressive. The proportions feel premium and well-planted, and subtle updates for the 2026 model give it a more refined, modern look, especially with new wheel designs and updated lighting. Signatures that make it instantly recognizable at night. Open the door and the cabin feels like a private lounge. High-quality leather, real wood or aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood instantly set the tone. The seating position is commanding yet comfortable, and both front and rear passengers get generous legroom, making long journeys feel relaxed rather than tiring. The dual widescreen displays dominate the dashboard, powered by the latest generation of Mercedes MBUX system, which is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Voice commands feel natural, touch controls are responsive and even small. Details like navigation, graphics, and animations feel premium. For 2026, the system is more personalized, learning driver habits and adjusting settings automatically, which makes daily driving surprisingly seamless. Under the hood, the GLE offers a range of powertrains designed to suit different driving styles, from smooth and efficient turbocharged engines to more powerful performance-focused variants. Every option feels refined and confident. Acceleration is strong without being overwhelming, and the power delivery is silky, especially when paired with Mercedes' well-tuned automatic transmission. On the road, the GLE shines in comfort, soaking up bumps and rough surfaces with ease, while still feeling stable and controlled at higher speeds. The optional air suspension takes this even further, adjusting ride height and stiffness depending on driving mode. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling uneven terrain, handling is impressive for an SUV of this size. Steering feels light but precise, making city, driving, and parking less stressful than you'd expect. On highways, the GLE feels planted and quiet, with excellent sound insulation that keeps road and wind noise to a minimum. For those who enjoy occasional off-road adventures, the available all-wheel drive system and off-road modes provide extra confidence, proving that this luxury SUV isn't afraid to get its tires a little dirty. Safety and driver assistance are where the 2026 GLE truly stands out. It's packed with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, all working together smoothly rather than intrusively. These features don't just add peace of mind. They genuinely reduce driver fatigue, especially on long trips. Parking assistance, 360-degree cameras, automated parking functions make tight spaces feel much less intimidating. What really makes the Mercedes-Benz GLE special is how effortlessly it blends luxury, technology, performance, and practicality into one package. It's spacious enough for families, refined enough for executives, and capable enough for adventurous weekends. The 2026 updates polish an already strong formula, making the GLE feel more intelligent, more comfortable, and more future-ready than ever. It's not trying to be flashy or extreme. Instead, it focuses on delivering a premium experience that feels natural and confidence-inspiring every single day. And that quiet confidence is exactly why the GLE continues to be one of the most compelling luxury SUVs on the road.